Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on absolute maximum and minimum. So the question is f of x is equal to x minus ln of 2x, and the interval given is 0.5 to 2. We need to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So of course we'll have to check at the endpoints. The derivative is 0 and the derivative is not defined. So let's see what is f dash of x here. This will become 1 minus 1 by 2x into 2, or simply 1 minus 1 by x. So stationary point f dash of x is equal to 0. It occurs at 1 minus 1 by x is equal to 0, which will occur at x is equal to 1. So this will be one of the stationary point. And from the derivative, it is also clear that x is equal to 0 is a point where this derivative is not defined. But if you check the interval, this interval is from 0.5 to 2, the closed interval. So we don't have this point x equal to 0 where this derivative is not defined. So we'll be checking at f is equal to 0.5, f is equal to 1, and f of 2. These are the 3 points at which we will check the values, because these are the end points and this is the stationary point, right? This is 0.5, this is 0.306, and this is 0.613. So it is clear that this f of 2 is the absolute maximum, which is having the highest value, and f of 1 is having the lowest value, so it is the absolute minimum. So this is and this is absolute minimum, right? This is what we were looking for.